So as promised, here is my easy lentil potato soup recipe that you guys have been requesting from my last video. So today I'm going to use the Instapot. So I'm going to hit the saute button and saute 1 yellow onion. Then I'm going to add about a cup of diced carrots and 1 pound of mushrooms. You can use white or brown. I'm going to cook those down for a few minutes. Then I'm going to add a whopping tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and a little bay leaf. And I'm going to let that cook down for about 8 minutes. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of dried red lentils. You can use green if you want. Then I'm going to add 3 medium gold potatoes that are diced, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Then I'm going to add 3 cups of water. And then I like to use these vegan not chicken bouillon cubes. You can totally skip this if you want, but I do think they add a lot of flavor, but you can add all the flavor you want with your seasonings and your salt and pepper. So then I put the lid on and I hit the bean setting, which is basically a high pressure cook setting, for 15 minutes. Then when it's done, I hit cancel and I let the pressure release naturally for 30 to 40 minutes. And then I open her up and she looks just like this. So good. So then to that, I'm going to add 1 cup of almond milk. And this is one that I just made fresh today. So I'm going to add that into the pot, give her a stir. It's so creamy and delicious this way. And don't forget to take out the bay leaf. I always seem to forget that. So then you can add parsley or cilantro. This is amazing with cilantro. I didn't have any cilantro, so I used parsley from my garden today, and it is delicious. And I add about 1/2 cup. And then that's it, guys. You are ready to serve this up. This makes about 4 servings. So if you need more than that, definitely double the recipe, and that's it. So the lentils do fall apart. They're really, really soft. So if you want your lentils to be more firm, then just cook it for less time. But I like how creamy this gets when the lentils cook down the way they do. Oh, so good.